Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be doing roast plantain. It's one of my healthy favorite food to eat in this my house. So I have washed my plantain because I am going to be roasting it with the skin. You can take off the skin if you don't want to roast it with the skin, but I prefer to roast it with the skin. What I'm gonna do before I put it in the oven is that I'm going to cut off this end, and then I'm going to cut off that end, and I'm gonna kind of open it in the middle like that. I'll cut up this end and kind of open it. So that is all I'm going to be doing to this plantain at the moment. I am going to put it in the oven. I'm gonna roast it in the oven for at least 30 to 40 minutes, and yeah, so I'm gonna pop it inside the oven. So now while my plantain is in the oven, I am going to prepare my red oil sauce that I'm going to be using to eat this plantain. So I am going to slice my onions. So for my garlic, I am going to pound it, and I'm going to add half Nigerian pepper. I'm also going to add a bit of salt, and then I will pound. So I am going to add all my ingredients in this bowl. I'm going to add my onions. I'm going to add my red oil. And then I'm going to add my garlic and my chili. So I am going to wait a bit. When my roast plantain is getting ready, maybe 10 minutes before it is done, I am going to then put this in the oven and let it cook for 10 minutes before I take it out. So yeah. So now I am going to peel out the skin. Why I like to roast it with the skin for a while is for it to be very soft. So as you can see, it is very soft. So I'm going to take it out of the skin. I'm going to put it back for another 10 minutes. So now my plantain is out from the oven and it's done cooking. I am going to take it out from this because this is too hot. So now I am going to add the red oil. So this is my roast plantain and with red oil sauce. So this is it, guys. It is ready to dive in. So guys, this is it. Thank you so much for stopping by. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe, and I will see you on my next one. Bye.